Hi friends, it's Liz here. So today I am sharing the unboxing of the latest Your Creative Studio subscription box, and I also have details on how you can win your own. So watch the video and you'll get more details on that. Oh my gosh, that is so cute, that little charm with the little envelope. And let me just pull out the rest of the items. So I hope you're all doing well. I am super excited and looking forward to getting back to the crafts room and creating. I'm still, going over the videos that I previously recorded for you and still doing voiceovers, but I'm very quickly feeling better to start getting myself ready to craft a little bit in the next few weeks or so. Okay, so we'll start with this lovely little stationery set. What a cute idea. And just looking at the different papers and the envelopes that's included is giving me such ideas on what I would love to do with this right now. So they've got 2 sheets of letter writing paper, and then these lovely, oh no, there's more sheets. Let me see. There's a couple more sheets of the stationery, which is really, really nice. And then you've got some really lovely decorated envelopes inside and out. This is really cute. So I think these will be very useful to either, continue to collage on them or just send them as is with in snail mail. I'm also thinking it would be nice to make a small little journal. You know how we make those envelope journal covers? That would be really cute with this set as well. I'm going to try and give you some ideas on what I would do with these goodies as I go through the unboxing for you. And so it looks like we have another set here. So now it's actually 2 sets of the stationery and the envelopes, which again, that's a really nice addition to these boxes. If you have not seen my previous unboxings for Your Creative Studio, I do have many, which I will link, I believe, a playlist below. I also always try and give you some ideas on how I would use the products or how I have used the products. But in this one, I'm just really enjoying the ideas of the stationery with the, with the letterhead. Really, really cute. Okay, so I'm definitely going to, maybe I'll make a little journal out of this, so we'll see. So it includes the stickers as well. A lot of the products in the boxes are also exclusive to Your Creative Studio. So you can see that some of them have those stickers on the packaging, which have their logo on them. So that would mean that you only get these products in their subscription boxes. This paper is lovely. It's like tissue paper. Oh, I really like that. I don't think we've had this before in the boxes, so that's really nice. And then we've got some of the, I think this is the washi tape. And again, usually the boxes include, a different design of washi tape and some stamps, stickers, papers, and just some different little ephemera here and there. It's all vintage style, vintage themed, which is really nice. I'm going to show you the washi tape a little closer to the end because I've got to open it up and everything else. So these are little stickers and they look like little labels, which is really cute. And I do like the design because it's very like a vintage tone, right? It's all just very neutrals and it can go with really any project that you have. So that is a really nice package of ephemera as well. So here we have a sticker pack, which is, oh, this one looks like it just sort of popped out of somewhere. Maybe it's missing from one of them here. Yep. So I've got 2 missing, but only 1 in the package. That's interesting. Okay, so there are stickers and you can see that they have like a travel theme to them, and they feel like it's really nice paper. So yeah, I seem to be missing 1 of the stickers in this sticker pack. But it's really nice. And now these ones are the stamps, and again this one is postage themed, which is really useful. Now I find those types of stamps, you can use them for just about anything because they're we're often using stamps, especially in like our collages, or if we're decorating envelopes, it's really nice to have those types of stamps. This one's a lady stamp. She's doing a little bit of writing. And then this one here is the pen and the ink. So that's really cute. So this whole theme, if you hadn't noticed, it's like a writing theme, which is lovely. And now this is a pen. And I know we received a pen like this a little while back. I believe these are what's called dip pens. And so it is just really nice to have this one. Look how beautiful it is. Just lovely for it to sit on your desk and you sort of, you know, I think that's what it is. Let me know if you know about it, and if you know that's what this pen is. I think that's what they are. Okay, so let me quickly show you a project that I made using some of the pieces. This is what I was envisioning when I was talking about it. It's the envelopes, and I picked the two envelopes that are a little bit more sort of, you know, that you could kind of put them in any direction. I was thinking initially of doing like a flip down pocket, how we've done these before. I don't know if you've seen them, but then I was thinking maybe it would be really cute to do like a journal cover or like a little ephemera holder. And normally we put the flaps together to attach these envelopes when we make these projects, but for this one I'm thinking I'll do it a little different. Now I'm noticing that the washi tape doesn't really have any stick to it. I tried to you know, kind of unravel as much as I could to see if there was any stickiness still left on it, but there wasn't. So anyways, that's what I wanted to mention with that. So I could have used a different kind of washi tape, but I really wanted to use this piece of packaging that I had on my desk. And it's just, you know, the packaging that they use to wrap things when you're ordering things. So I want to make a spine for my little envelopes. And this is, I think, the best way to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this down and make my little sort of ephemera cover or little booklet. And I really like using envelopes for this purpose because they already have like really nice large pockets. But the way that I'm putting these envelopes down, as you can see, is I'm making sure that the flaps face the outside of the envelope so you can use the full pocket. I find that when we turn them the other way, so like the pockets would be facing inside, then it doesn't give us enough room to pull things out and put things in, that sort of thing. So I like to do this when, you know, when there's an envelope, especially like these ones that are just really already nicely decorated, then it's just nice to take the full advantage of the pockets. And then of course you got the little flaps on the inside that also look very decorative. And I think these are really cute to make really quickly if you want to send something to a friend in the mail, and you want to just kind of, you know, do something different than like little paper bags and stuff like that. I think this looks really nice because it ends up looking like a little tiny journal. But depending on how many pockets you decide to add, then, you know, you can have so many more areas to add ephemera. So I'm just trying to pick what I want to do for the cover, and I'm just going to speed this up a little bit because I'm sure you've seen this type of craft before, but I was just really inspired to do that with these envelopes. Okay, so let's talk about the giveaway, which I'm so excited about. If you want to win your own Your Creative Studio box, leave a comment below, be a subscriber to my channel, a visible subscriber, 18 years or over, and here's the way that you can enter. Now, it is open international. You can make a VR, which is called a video reply, by showing a project that you have made that was inspired by a video I shared on my channel. And on your subject line, you can say this is a VR response to at least a paper project, and then you can just give details about the project that you've made and what video I shared that inspired it. Okay, so I'll have all the details on my blog just in case you know you need more clarification. But I thought it would be so fun to share with others what you have made that was inspired by something I shared, because for me personally, I love to see what you make, because I find that sometimes I get inspired again by a previous project that I have made that you have shared. Now, you don't have to do a tutorial or anything like that. You can just make a video showing what you made, mention my channel, mention the giveaway, and then make sure you tag me. And you can even tag the video that inspired that project in the description of your video. Now, if you don't make videos, that's okay too. What you can do is do a post on your social media, whether that be Facebook or Instagram, and tag me, mention my giveaway, and then also show what you have made inspired by one of my videos. Now, for the video reply, you'll have 5 entries if you make a video reply into the giveaway. If you do a post, you'll have 1 entry for every post that you make. So you can do that as well. And if you're making a video, you can easily also, make a post on your social media, and that will give you extra entries for this giveaway. I think it's such a fabulous giveaway because you get an entire surprise box to yourself, and you get to use all those goodies just as you would like. But just make sure that in both either the post or the video, you mention my giveaway, you mention my channel, that it was inspired by whatever video you have seen on my channel, and just show what you made. You don't need to make a tutorial or anything else like that. Just showing what you have made that was inspired by something I shared on my channel. I'm so excited, my friends. I think this is going to be so much fun because I get to see what you've made from all the many videos that I have shared on my channel, and I can't wait to find out who the winner is going to be. Now, this is going to be open until the end of the month, so June 30th, I believe it is, and then I'll come back and do a video to announce the winner of the Your Creative Studio subscription box. Thank you so much to them, because I absolutely love their items. As you know, I have been using their items for a very long time. So versatile, specifically for us junk journal makers. They are just perfect supplies. All right, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this giveaway, and I'll come back again to give more details about a future one. All right, see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.